Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with InVideo for converting blogs into video edits, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with InVideo, first, open your web browser. Type in the URL for InVideo and hit enter. Once on the home page, look for the sign up button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be prompted to create an account. You can sign up using your email address or through Google or Facebook. If you choose to use your email, enter your email address and create a password. Ensure your password meets the security requirements. After filling in your details, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You may need to verify your email by checking your inbox for a verification message. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the InVideo homepage. Now, log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Here, you can explore various templates offered by InVideo. To convert a blog into a video, click on the Create Video button. Select the Text to Video option from the available choices. Next, you will see a field to enter your blog content. Copy the text from your blog post and paste it into the provided field. After pasting, you can choose a predefined template that suits the theme of your blog. InVideo will help to generate scenes based on the text provided. Review the automatically generated scenes for any adjustments. You can edit text, images, and videos as necessary to enhance your video. In the timeline, you can add transitions and music by exploring InVideo's library. After making all desired customizations, preview your video. If you're satisfied with the preview, click the Export button. Choose the desired video quality for your final output. Wait for the rendering process to complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.